Hi friends, welcome to TutusFunny channel. Do you believe if I create this website within 5 minutes through AI? Okay, so this is very colors are very awesome. Okay, this I am not elected this color. This all the colors are think and done by AI. The very best AI I recommend here. These colors are very here. These gradients are very awesome. Color mixings are very awesome. This colors full website. Okay, so here this is the simple toy store e-commerce website. Okay, so here you can see here these are the card sections are there. So if you want to add this toy, so I'm going to this toy, click on it. It is has been added to your cart. Here it's added. I have already added here to cart section. This is completed. So here if you decrease the size here, it will be the order has been here. It is if you click check out. Okay, checking this. Its card is empty. Continue shopping. So everything's are there. Okay, so here the shopping now. So everything's are there. We have categories. Everything categories. If you click on it, it's categories. Okay, so toys. This is a toys area. If you have to go to toys and context information, the everything we have added through this. If you want any do the modification also, we have to ask that AI tool to make the modification. That is a things that is a very important and very best step we can develop by this AI tool. Let's dive into the video step by step. Hi friends, welcome to TutusFunny channel. Today I'm going to teach the best AI which help you to build the website using AI platform. So this is called as Tricky AI. Okay, so you have to type on the tricky dot so, which is extension. You can get this AI. Click on it. Okay, you have to click on it. You can see over here. So you have to get start for free. You have to start your free account. You can log in via your Gmail credential. After I logged in, you can get this user interface. Okay, so here you can see there is a community project. So this is community is very important stuff. This is a previous project will be created by your some other guys. Okay, so you can see website. These are the websites. So the personal app, you create the personal apps, something like that. Here there are loading animation, something like this. The personal apps of creators. So portfolio, you will be able to see the website portfolio as well. So portfolio websites you can see over here. Or you will be able to your portfolio website. You can get the idea. So there are several of the forms. You can see this as the bar. Here is simple forms designs. Also there are many dashboards, the software dashboard you can get it. So now I'm going to get this one. Say you can see here canvas. This canvas you can see the images, everything's there. So these are the countries. So you create the booking system there. Okay, here what I'm going to do is I'm going to create the I need to create a website for toys shop. So click on it. You have to wait while the website is creating. You will see here it's creating. Here you can see here everything's are created by AI. This is from the touch here. You will be able to see this is the beauty of this AI. Here so everything is written. The description here, everything you can see here. At the same time, while it's creating, you can see creating the processing. Here meta title. Here it's everything's are written. Here you can see same. That's the beauty of this AI. The recently I tested. This is the very best AI tool for we are developing the websites. Okay, from the scratch it will be designing your websites. So you have to wait for time. It is doing okay everything. You have to wait and see what they're doing, the styles and everything. It will be implementing. Okay, so that HTML, CSS bodies and everything you can see over here is everything. You have to wait until things is created successfully. Now your website is ready. to go. Here you can see it's a very simple and beautiful website you have created from this AI tool. Okay, if you are publishing, and you can check it out, it's look like here. If you public, it is you can custom domain, you can set as a custom domain over here. This is very best AI tool. Here you can check it over here, click on it. So this is the URL, you just copy it. You can see here how the system is works. Yeah, it's very beautiful project you have created just 5 minutes. Here, very good AI which will be you have created. It's a very simple AI you have created using this AI tool. So not only this, you can create any things you want. So if you want to do any modification stuff, so you can ask from here. Okay, what would you like to create to modify? What would you like to create or modify? You will be able to create and modify. Okay, so this is a preview of this canvas, this code. If you go to the code section, what are the, you can check the code as well. Here it's the codes, simple website codes. You will be able to see these are codes. Everything's are yes codes. You can set the object here. You can run everything, so you can go and learn. Okay, this are components they are using JS. This is completely they are creating by the JS components. Okay, this all things are we are done. That's why this is here. This is a very simple here. Okay, here. So all the things are here. So that's why the website is more powerful, very fast. Okay, this is the front end application developed by the front end application, though that's very fast. Here, it's not refreshing. Okay, you can see here, if you click on the categories, it's not refresh. Okay, because this everything are done by the JS. Okay, JS we are using their it may be they are using Vue or React. They are using and done this website without refreshing here. Very smart website. Okay, if you want to make the website, you will be able to go over here. So if you want to publish it, you can, this website you have to get it into your domain. You just change your naming server as well. You can it has been run as your normal domain. So what the changes you are doing, you will be able to put it here. So here we have to do something else. If you have to add some more pages, you can add it over here. So I needed a if you want to add the card section, card. Now here it at the card section here. Now it's modifying. I can see that it's modifying. You have to wait until the card section has been added. Now we have successfully added the section here, added the card state management, local, okay, everything's are done. So again we have to publish that one. It's published successfully. Now what you want to copy this is the same thing. The same domain is running. So here it's refresh it. Here the card section is there. You'll be able to see the card section here. The card is card start shopping. The card section here. If you go over here, you can see the card section here. If you click on it, this has been added to the card. So then you have to add the card section as well. Okay, they're very simple here. This card is added one. Here this item is added here. Once you click, you have to increase it here. Very simple. Okay, it's very simple. You have to add the simple app using this one.